Hey guys, so today's video I wanted to touch base on the extensions I've been using. I always cut my hair pretty short once a year. It's considered long. I consider it short because I used to touch like my actual boobs, but now it just goes down to like right there. So I'm going to show you guys what I use, and I also wanted to show you how I wash my extensions. So you have to take good care of them, and I'm gonna enter some clips on what it looked like when I first opened them versus how they look now, and then again how they look after I wash it. So stay tuned if you'd like to see that, plus how I style them. And I like to go and take them to my Persian lady who does an amazing job. So I like to help and support my local artists, and she's just kind of like an older woman that just, you know, is about to retire, and she does so good. I wash my hair probably 3 to 4 times a week at her salon, and she's so amazing. I'll bring you along. So if you want to see how I style my hair and take care of it, and the aftercare, make sure you stay tuned. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit up my post notification bell so you can be notified of all my drops. And yeah, stay tuned. Mwah. So I'm gonna go place them in, and I like to put them on this, like I hang it, and I just bring it with me whatever salon that I go to. So we're gonna catch some Starbucks and then hit up my Persian lady. Her name, I should really stop calling her. Her name is Fazzy, so she's such a sweetheart. So we're gonna go see Fazzy, and I'm just gonna grab some food. High hair extensions, I've used it so much that now I want to use it one last time to get my hair done, so you can see how I style it. And then afterwards I want to show you guys how I clean it, because it is real good quality human hair. You want to make sure you get the most of it. So in order for it to last the longest and get that cute little wave back into it, you have to wash it and take care of it. I'm gonna put some music on. And I love reggae. So just got my hair done with the extensions. So I'm just gonna do some photo shoots today, and then I've got to go to my Zumba dance class. So when I get back from Zumba, I'm gonna show you guys how I wash my hair extensions. And these are so cute because they've never been processed or dyed or anything like that. So all the little highlights you see are just my hair and the extensions, which is super natural. And it's not like dark pitch black, so I love it. It's like a dark one shade like below pitch black, which is like my real hair color. I don't like pitch black. Dyed my hair pitch black one time, and It fried my hair. It took forever to clear it out. Stay tuned for that if you want to see how I take care and maintain my extensions to keep them nice and full and luscious like this.